Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Figma, how to paste in place. If you've ever needed to copy an element, like an icon or a button, and make sure it lands in exactly the same spot on another frame, this is definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to paste objects in place, keeping your design perfectly consistent no matter how many frames you're working with. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Figma project. If you don't have one ready, you can follow along with any file that has at least 2 or 3 frames set up. For this demonstration, I'm going to use 3 frames, so you can really see how paste in place works across multiple sections. Frames in Figma are kind of like digital canvases or pages. Each one could represent a different screen in an app, for example, or different states in a mockup. Now, let's say we have an icon on the first frame. Maybe it's a social share icon, or even just a simple shape you want to keep perfectly aligned across all your designs. Here, what we'll do first, click to select the icon. You can either click directly on it in the canvas, or find it in the Layers panel and select from there. Once you've got it selected, let's make a copy. On your keyboard, just press Ctrl+C if you're on Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This copies the icon, but more importantly, Figma also remembers its exact coordinates within the frame. Think of this like copying a chess piece, along with its square on the board. Now move over to the second frame. Just click to select anywhere inside it. Make sure the frame is selected so Figma knows where you want to paste your icon. Now paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. Give it a second, sometimes Figma might take a split second to update. And there it is. Your icon pops in, and just like magic, it's sitting in exactly the same spot as it was in the first frame. If you were to toggle back and forth between your 2 frames, you'd see that the icon hasn't shifted at all. This keeps your design looking super tidy and makes it much easier to keep things lined up if you're building, say, navigation bars or repeating interface elements. Now let's try it with the third frame. Go ahead and click to select that third frame and then paste again. Ctrl+V. What's really cool here is even if your third frame is a different size, maybe it's a tablet screen instead of mobile, for example, Figma will still place your icon at the same coordinate within the new frame. This coordinate stickiness is perfect for keeping your layout consistent, even as your project grows and frames have different dimensions. And that's really all there is to it. Copy, paste in place, and watch as your designs stay coordinated and professional looking across all your frames. If you ever feel like something isn't pasting quite right, just double check that you're selecting the frame you want before you hit paste. And don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the hang of it. Figma is a powerful tool, and little tricks like this go a long way in speeding up your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues with pasting in place, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy, actionable Figma tips, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.